Okay, welcome to my day as a model. But backstage is already chaos, and I'm not even late for once. They're doing my makeup, but I have no idea what the look is yet. I just trust the process at this point.
This is so relaxing. So cute.
Okay, quick introduction. These are the people I'm about to compete with for attention. Hey. And somehow we're all best friends. Okay, this might be my, or not. Honestly, I just fall in love with all of them. Everyone, check out this gorgeous black dress. Let me see how it looks against me. What do you think? Oh, wow, that's stunning. It looks amazing on you. Okay, wait. I think this is the runway. Why am I so nervous? I think this is I know, right? It's so bright. I'll make do this. Okay, wait. Now it's partying. Yes, they look amazing. Come on, join the fun. We're here, looking fabulous. Hey everyone, we're on the runway. This is so much fun. Woo! Group hug moment.